Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to change the language on your Discord apps. If you are using Discord on for Android or iOS, it should be a similar method or the same method what I want to show you right now. So first you open your Discord obviously, and then you just go press on the triple line like I did before, and then click on the profile here. This is your profile, this is my profile, and then you scroll down until you can find this language. So you click that language, and then here a limited language that Discord provides you to change the language, the interface of your Discord. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks down below. We will really appreciate that. Or you can just put like or subscribe to our channel to follow the next good daily tips for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.